In the ever-evolving landscape of scrap management, HydroTechnic emerges as a beacon of innovation and efficiency. As we embark on a journey through the intricacies of our fully automatic scrap baling presses, envision a manufacturing floor buzzing with activity, a symphony of production where metal chips, paper, and plastic waste accumulate in a seemingly chaotic dance. Yet, within this dynamic environment, our presses seamlessly orchestrate a transformation, turning this diverse scrap mixture into meticulously organized, compact bales. Gone are the days of labor-intensive and time-consuming manual methods. HydroTechnic's fully automatic presses usher in a new era, bidding farewell to the drudgery of manual scrap compression. These intelligent machines take center stage, armed with cutting-edge technology that not only streamlines but elevates the entire process. Picture the compaction chamber as a stage for hydraulic mastery, a realm where scrap pieces are automatically drawn in and expertly compressed into dense, uniform bales, all meticulously controlled by a state-of-the-art PLC system. The true distinguishing factor lies in the automatic tying mechanism. No more wrestling with wires or ropes. Our presses handle it all seamlessly. The outcome? Impeccably bound bales that retain their shape, ensuring a storage and transportation experience that is not just efficient but utterly hassle-free. Now, let's delve into the numerical prowess of HydroTechnic. Our capacity ranges are amongst the broadest in India, spanning from 1,000 kg to a staggering 5,000 kilograms per day. Customization isn't merely a feature, it's the essence of what we do. Whether it's the distinct characteristics of the scrap material, the intricacies of your plant layout, or the specific demands of your output requirements, our technology is tailor-made to suit your needs. What's the bottom line, you ask? Our presses aren't just about multiplying productivity, they are about rewriting the equation of operating costs. Envision a workplace where manual labor is minimized, power consumption is optimized, and the specter of maintenance headaches becomes a distant memory. It's not just about productivity, it's about fostering a cleaner, safer environment. The benefits aren't confined to the shop floor. Dense bales translate into reduced storage space requirements and lower shipping costs, a true paradigm shift in the world of scrap management. Are you prepared to embrace the future of scrap handling? The call to action echoes loudly. Reach out to our technical experts at +91 97174744831 or drop a line at sales@microhydrotechnic.co.in. Let us embark on a journey together to unravel the intricacies of your scrap management needs. Together, we'll chart a course towards operational excellence, an odyssey led by HydroTechnic, the epitome of innovation in the world of fully automatic scrap baling presses. In a world where efficiency isn't just a goal but a necessity, HydroTechnic's presses are not just machines, they're the architects of transformation, reshaping the landscape of scrap management with every hydraulic compression and automated bind. The future is here, and it's fully automatic.